Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October 27th, 2020, and I ventured out to the garden just for a little bit. So we're going to be picking some of the cauliflower here. Now, I got to watch where I step so I don't trip over anything. That'd be very bad. But I'm going to get some cauliflower picked here. The winter wheat, as you can see, is coming up. That's going to be to feed the ground in the spring when we till it back in. So we put a cover crop in this fall of winter wheat. It's coming up like crazy. So we're going to get the cauliflower harvested off here real quick. Now this is from our first planting still. That's a really nice head of cauliflower there that it gave off. And it's been giving off multiple heads of cauliflower. And that video is on my channel for how we harvest the initial head of cauliflower. Now this one here we're letting, it's going to get bigger. The cabbage worms are on it. That's what you're seeing there. They're evidence. But that one's going to get larger, so we're going to let that one go.
If you see any, please let me out.
Okay, so my mom's just checking the plants over to see if she sees any more. There's some back there that are ready to come off, unless you found one there.
Is this big enough, or I think it should come off?
Yeah, that one comes off.
That is still coming.
Yep.
Here's a real nice one.
So this one here was on a little too long, and that's why it looks like that. So it should have been harvested sooner. So we're getting this one here off now. What we do is we soak our cauliflower and our broccoli heads in ice cold water to get the cabbage worms off. And then you really do have to look them over to make sure that there's nothing on them. In the spring and summer, we were spraying them with neem oil, which was keeping the cabbage worms off. And here's a cabbage worm right here. You can see what they look like. And these things are very destructive to your cauliflower, your broccoli, your cabbage, Brussels sprouts, all your cold season crops, and they'll even go after like your bok choy and stuff. So we're going to get this one here taken off.
Right here? Down further?
Just got water thrown in her face. And these are going to need cleaned up a lot. Now, if you want to keep them off permanently, go ahead and put those insect covers over. My best friend uses those, and she doesn't have where the worms get on her stuff. Unless you forget and accidentally let one of the things open, then they'll go in. The butterflies won't lay the eggs. And Mikey came out to visit.
Well, will these get bigger, or will they go south?
That one there, it can get bigger,
Yes.
but it's perfect right now.
Okay, take it.
So here.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay. Oops. Nice, beautiful little head. It would have gotten bigger, but it's perfect right now, so we're just going to take it. So Mikey's tiptoeing there through the winter wheat. Did you find anything, sweeties? You still searching? So, we're picking off the heads of broccoli too. Now this is the Smart Snack hybrid broccoli, and my mom's gonna get these cut off here, and she's gonna get them blanched and put away then. So we have them for over the winter to eat. Nice little head there. Now this is still the first crop from spring. I don't replant the broccoli or the cauliflower. We just keep it picked and we keep it from flowering, and we cut our stuff up high enough and it keeps producing for us. Now this one here, we are going to take it off because it's even though it's small, it's going to try and flower, and we don't want it to do that. So we're going to get this one here taken off, and the plants will still continue to give then for us. Now this one here went a little too long. You can tell that by this browning color that's sort of in it. Now you can still eat this, but I would just cut those spots there out because it's still a lot of broccoli there that you can still eat. So this one's going to come off.
Here?
Yep. Yeah. So this is the broccoli that she got off here. Now there's more broccoli coming. So I'll show you then what my mom got off for the cauliflower. So I'll be right back. So you can see what we got off here. And my mom's going to keep checking these other ones that we left on every day. So as soon as they're ready to come off, she's going to be taking them off then. And some of these are smaller, but they were perfect. So I just told her to go ahead and take them off. So I'm going to go in and get ice on my knee and rest my knee more. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye. Hi, Mikey, go home? You want to go home? Come on, let's go home. Let's go home. Come on, let's go home. Come on. Come on, go get your mommy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy.